Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm glad you're here with me. I got this from Temu. These are very flimsy and as you can see a bit, so I'm not holding out much hope for these. But it is very pretty. It's a stackable jar, if you will, and I thought I would do it in AquaCast so that I could have a stackable candle. And I thought I'd do it in epoxy just for some storage. Basically I've changed all my desks round. I'll not show you because it's wild. So yeah, I could do with a bit more storage. Now I'm going to be using these today. I got these from a charity shop. I paid either 50p or £1 for each. It doesn't matter, does it? It was still very cheap. But look at all them lovely glitters. So I've chosen some and I thought I'd use these colours. We'd have a bit of a purple day today, and they're lovely. So I'd make two bases and one lid, working up to the lid, the dark, then that one, and then the lightest for the lid. I will need to put some glue in the resin for that one. I will be using Teexpert resin today, crystal clear, and we'll start with that. I usually start with the AquaCast, but we will start with the resin. Like I say, not holding much hope of this holding up with all the resin in it. So we'll see, shall we? I'll go and get some resin mixed up and I'll be right back. Right, I've mixed up 300 mils, 200 in that cup, and I'm going to use the lightest one for this. I don't think it's open yet. Oh, it is open. Let's just dump some in. See where that takes us. I've now got glitter everywhere, like we do. Oh, that's pretty. That's nice. And like I say, I'm going to stick some glue in this because I do want most of it to be suspended. I don't want it all sinking. The resin's been out possibly 25 minutes now. I've had it through debubbler, so it's getting thicker, which is good for the suspension of the glitter. I'm going to put a bit more in there, so off of the pot basically. I'll put a few drops in this of PVA, clear PVA it is that I'm using. I get it from the works, but it's quite liquidy. Let's see how that does. That is a really pretty glitter. It's very, very fine. Oh, there we go. Look how gloopy that is. Right, I'm going to spritz with 99% alcohol in there. In fact, I'll spritz all the way around. And we'll see how far this goes, because I don't know how much it's going to take. When you use glue in your resin, it speeds up the curing time, so it's not going in the curing machine. And if I do decide to put it in after, it will only be for an hour. Right, I'm just going to squidge that top piece, make sure there's no bubbles. I'm just hoping this base stands up. I think this is going to take a lot, possibly all of it. Oh. Let's see, let's give it a scrape. Wow, that base is making it very uneven. It needs a bit more. So we'll take some of this clear, perhaps a bit more than that. I'm going to have to mix some more up for the pot, the jar part of it. Don't need to put any glue in this. I think it'll be fine if I just drizzle it over. I think it'll be absolutely fine. We don't mind if a bit sinks. I can see it comes up the lip, you know, so it's got something to fit on the base. I'm going to get a micro brush and I can see some bubbles there that need to come out. Can't seem to get that one out. There's one here as well. Get all them bubbles out. Well, it's holding up, isn't it? Which is fabulous. We'll give that a spritz, pop all them bubbles, and we'll leave that to cure. And we will start on the base. Right, so we're doing a darker colour. That's nowhere near enough, that, but we'll start with that. Pop a bit of that in. We'll see how that goes. And like I say, I'll just mix up a bit more. It's really not a problem, is it? Oh, that one's nice. And a bit of glue. Perfect. Like I say, putting glue in not only speeds up the time, it gives you extra bubbles. Oh, that's beautiful. Right, all I'm going to do, like I say, I'll make some more up, I'll fill that up and I'll let that cure. I'll see you for demold on these two. Demold time. Let's have a look at this. No bubbles, no air pockets, as I can see so far. Ooh, this is really stuck. We've got it. And it's out. That's pretty. Very fine, that glitter though, isn't it? Yeah, very nice. See if I can get my nail under here. Very nice. Oh, what's going on here? Yeah, remember when I said that mould looked a bit skew with? It's ever so slightly skew with. I'll show you, just that bit there. It goes up. But it's nice, quite deep. I don't know what I'm going to put in it. Right, let's make the next one. I'll get some resin mixed up for that. I'll be back in a moment. 200 mils again. I'm just going to have this one. This is slightly pinker and I thought I'd put it between them. I'll speed you up for this because it's just the same thing again. Right, last one. Let's get it out. Still a bit soft. Oh yeah, that is soft. I'll be as gentle as I can. Oh, that's a nice glitter, isn't it? They've all been lovely. Yay! It stacks. I like it. I like it very much. I'll not leave that one in there because it might just meld to it. I'm going to get some AquaCast mixed up now and we're going to try it in AquaCast. Bit concerned about this piece, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Right, I've got 400 grams of powder because I'm not too sure what it's going to take in AquaCast. And I've got these two colours, purple and rose. I think I used them 2 videos ago. I got these from Temu in a set, all different colours. So we'll try these ones. If I do pink first, I can put the purple in to change the colour, can't I, after, instead of having 2 different lots. I know what I mean, I'm sorry. I don't talk any sense sometimes. Yeah, we'll start with the pink. Tap some of that in there, I don't want a great lot. I think that should be plenty. We'll see what that does. Because it's a powder pigment, I'm going to mix it in with the powder. Just makes sense to me that. Make sure it's well mixed in. We'll see what colour that brings us, shall we? Okay, now let's see. I'm just going to pop a bit in that bottom bit. Make sure everything's good there. I'll give it a squidge because I am concerned about that. Give it a good tap while it's there. Oh, see, a bubble just came up then. Let's hope it can withstand the weight of AquaCast. Oh, I don't think there's going to be enough. Perhaps I needed 500. I'm not going to be putting this on the vibration plate, I don't think. I've got a funny feeling it's just going to vibrate out and we'll get under this rim. Yeah, it's a good job you can see through them. Oh, there's a bubble there. How is everybody today? Have you all recovered from Christmas? I love Christmas, but I'm always glad when it's over. And I'm a bit ahead. In fact, it's the 2nd of January today, but I'm kind of glad. Get back to my normal routine. I do want to put it on the vibration plate, but because these are all skew width at bottom, these stands, if you will, I'm a bit frightened that it's just going to poop, poop. Did you see that? It's brought bubbles up there. We'll start with this one. Now, there won't be enough, and I might top it up with purple, so there's an in-between, because I'm going to do the bottom one purple. Right, tap it out, let's get this down. I'm going to mix a bit more. I'm going to make it purple and we'll swirl that in. Let's get the micro brush down there for that bottom. I might put this on the vibration plate because this one's going to be absolutely fine. So yes, I'm just going to mix up some more, make it purple, and then I'll be right back with you. Right, there we go. We want some of that purple into the pink. So I'm going to stick it down the sides. You might only see it on the inside. Let's get rid of these bubbles. Stick a bit more down the sides and the swirl. Can you see the pink coming up now as I'm tapping it? That's what we want. I can see a bubble there. We're just going to leave these to cure, and I'll be right back with you once they are. Right, that looks really fluorescent. I don't think you can see it. It is really fluorescent pink. Yeah, I don't think it's showing. Oh, there perhaps. I think it's stained the mould. Oh yeah, it's stained the mould. Good grief. I mean, it won't affect the use. This has been left all day. Oh, that is really pretty. Oh, lovely. What a beautiful pink. A very, very delicate pink. Right, let's have a look at this. I honestly thought it was going to come out fluorescent pink. I can't have that in my craft room. I'd have to paint it. Oh, a bit of the purple came out. But I mean, I shoved it downsides and that's not worked. But I mean, it's alright. It is alright. Let's have a look at it. Still a bit wonky there. It might settle down the more I use it. Because after, I mean, these are for me. After I am going to make a few more and have them stacking up. Because it's easier. You've got more space then, haven't you? It's just that circle, and then stack it up. It's all right. The purple. I wish the purple had come out. That purple there. My bad. 2 holes there that I will sand with a nail file. I will do the purple one, and I'll be right back. This has been an all night. I think I've overpoured it. I can't get the... What have I done? Right, let's get some pokey to stick down it. Let's see what colour this one's turned out. Oh, like a lilac. Yeah, that's nice. I kind of wish I hadn't put the purple on top of that one now. But hey ho. Right, I'll just let them dry. Then we can wax them. And as soon as they're all waxed, I will come back and show you the finished results. It's all finished now. I've give it 2 coats of wax. I don't like it. I don't like what I've done with it. I don't like the way these powders look in it. The purple's alright. That pink is far too vibrant for me. I mean, the mould's nice. I do like it. I just think I've made a mess. My choices have made a mess of this. But it is for me and it is useful. But yeah, I mean, look at my hand to it. It's a fairly decent size. Fit a lot of little bits. I might put my jewellery stuff in there, all the findings. But this one is beautiful. Look at that. I'm hoping you can see the colour all right. Now, if these were a better colour, you could mix and match these. Let's see what this looks like. See, nice and big. You could have it as tall as you wanted. It looks quite nice mixed. I do like the resin one very, very much. So it's not all negative. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've seen this mould on Amazon as well. I suggest you get it from Amazon because it's proper skew with the lid. These are alright, but the lid's proper skew with. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you got something out of this. That's a fail, definitely. I used the wrong colours on that. The AquaCast is lovely, but wrong colours. And I will see you next time. I'll stop waffling now. Bye everyone.